aftermath.
Hello, Dave. I'm showing you the aftermath of what happened
Look how much snow, Dad,
when the
from here to
snow
here.
when the snow stopped. There's a snow here that had not been touched. It's about maybe 3 feet, about 2 feet high. Look at everybody trying to shovel their stuff out.
Our spot's clean. Okay, fine. We're on our way to ShopRite. Mm-hmm. This one's buried in there. This one was trying to come out. Those that got garages are so lucky. That's Tito. Hey, Tito. No frostbite? Nah. This is the end of our block. We're going down this way. Doesn't matter. That one ain't coming out.
If it rains, you know some of this stuff out.
Yeah, but it's no rain announced. Oh, that one's buried in there.
Otherwise,
Why?
in cars, don't
Where? Wow, it's really warm out here. That's the weird part. Yeah. Tito, turn around. Be our new broadcaster.
Huh?
So, Ruben, pose. Give us our forecast for today.
Well, today's is nice and sunny with all this snow.
I started yet. That's why they announced an emergency alert. I told everybody to stay off the roads, but nobody care. It says it, you heard? Carney is still in the emergency state, whatever they say. This is Bergen Ave. Cars are buried in here because of plowman. Oh, man. Move to the side, Tito. Everybody's plowing everything. All right, so everybody here is down the slide. Probably one of the parents. It's no big deal. Down the hill. Hold on. Let's see if I catch somebody. Going up and down the hill. The kids love doing this. They like to go sliding. There goes one. All right, there goes some kids going down. okay. The mini mall is a little clean. Not much. And where's my finger? That's BJ's right there. BJ's. This is Kmart. Yeah, they cleaned pretty much. BJ's right there. Still needs a long way to go. I think that's the mechanic part right there because it has a lot of garages. So the big supermarket's gonna be on the other side. Yeah. So that will be the auto spot for BJ's. And over here will be the official BJ's. The only reason why it's taking long because the town put a stop on it. They're only allowed to work Monday through Friday until 5. They're not allowed to work weekends or after 5 because the town projects, well, it's not projects, what is it, senior homes? They all signed a petition for no workers to work after those hours. Oh man, Rue. Yeah.
They already got the frame up. When they got the frame up, everything else is easy.
Yup. ShopRite cleaned out pretty good. BJ's. We're gonna buy the food for today's dinner.
I gotta go that way, but
We
I gotta
could-
go up Bergen Ave and pick somebody up first. That's all right. Sure.
We couldn't bring a little food cart, so we can't buy too much. Right, Rue?
Huh?
That we can't buy too much
Yeah, no,
because we couldn't walk with our food cart.
No.